All right, today we're gonna bring a lantern, and this is a beautiful lantern. It has glass all around it. Light bulb goes in there, sensors in the bottom. This ties in with the bottom here piece. This is gonna be your base, and this is gonna be the tower, the actual top of it. All right, so elegant, very beautiful. It's outdoor graded, so we're okay to leaving it outdoor. You could leave it on. It has dusk to dawn, and we're gonna set this up a little high to see how well it works. It comes with the actual screws and the electrical stuff that you'd require. So let's put it together and see how it works. So after a couple seconds, it's gonna turn off, and it stays all night if you have a night to day mode. So right now it turned off because we do have light, but like I said, we cover it up. Sensor turns on. So let's take a look at how beautiful it looks on the top of a tower. So here's the light. It's pretty high. Tired. It's very dark up here.